Hey guys, in today's video, Muslogy Auto has sent me some footrests that I'm going to install in the door hinges of our Bronco. They're stainless steel, powder coated black. They're a single bolt installation, so let's get them installed and check them out. A big thank you to Muslogy Auto for providing the product for this video. The kit is powder coated steel. It comes with 2 mounting bolts, 2 washers, and the 2 footrests. The first step to taking your doors off is roll the windows down. I'm not going to show the whole process of removing the doors. All the tools you need are provided with the kit that comes with the Bronco. I do protect the door edges with painter's tape. Always securely store your bolts so you don't lose them. Installing the footrest is so easy. Just rest them onto the door hinge, put in the washer, put in the bolt, tighten it down. Really easy. And it's just the same process on the other side. Put in the washer, put in the bolt, tighten it down. There you go, another fun product from Muslogy Auto. Single bolt installation. Hardest part is actually taking your own doors off. It's powder coated steel in a black finish. It folds away if you don't need it. Kick it back out when you do. If you think these are a great accessory for the Bronco, give the video a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.